So the future is how we mag-save atong data. So instead of maglahila siya separate na states, so for each text box, so na-group na siya everything into one single template called initial form state. This keep our code very clean and na-track na ang full name, email, course, and password in one place ni siya. And this function, the handle change function, so kanang whenever a user types a letter, the single function automatically figures out na unsa siya na box is being changed. So it saves what you type while keeping all the other boxes safe. So the next function is the handle submit function. So this is our third function. So nag-run ni siya when if ang user kay mag-click sa atong submit button. So after clicking the submit button kay mag it it pauses for a while the web page from reloading automatically. So dili siya mawala ang text agad-agad. So next is if check siya if kung naay box na empty. Kung naay box na empty kay mag-show na siya warning na mo pop up dayon. But if everything is kanang filled out correctly, so it does three things automatically. It will print the data to our browser, mag-log na siya, shows our success message banner, and mo instantly runs our automatic resets para ma-wipe all text boxes. So yeah. So next, so here I will demonstrate. So I will open my browser developer. So next I am in. So here. So nag-type na kog sample student. So student information, I compute BSID, and then from the drop down menu kay I will click the submit button now. So the submit was perfect. So as you can see na our green success banner flash instantly and nag automatic reset function na siya and wipe out of all text boxes back to clean. Wala na siya isulod ng mga text. So it gathered and print our student data right before kuan. After 4 seconds kay na automatically reset na siya. So as you can see here, that's it.